Welcome to MDFU, Man the F Up University, where we give you all the tools to be the best man you can be. All you have to do is man the F up. As men, for most of us, our seed mean the world to us. We would and should do anything in our power to protect them, nurture them, and teach them the right values. That is why our quote of the day comes from Frederick Douglass. Frederick Douglass was an African-American social reformer, abolitionist, orator, writer, and statesman. After escaping from slavery in Maryland, he became a national leader of the abolitionist movement in Massachusetts and New York, gaining note for his dazzling oratory and incisive anti-slavery writings. His quote is, "It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men." Frederick Douglass lived from 1818 to 1895. So let's talk about fatherhood and parenting. New dads and dads looking to improve your parenting skills. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of good parenting: being present. You can be there, but not there. Put away your phone and any other distraction. Being present means giving your child undivided attention. It's not just about being physically there, but also emotionally and mentally engaged. This helps build a strong bond and trust between you and your child. Next, learn how to not just talk at your child, but communication with your child. Effective communication involves both talking and listening. Encourage your child to express their thoughts and feelings, and make sure to listen without interrupting. This fosters an open and honest relationship. You must discuss setting boundaries and keeping them. Children need clear rules and consistent guidelines to understand what's expected of them. Set boundaries that are fair and age-appropriate, and be consistent in enforcing them. This helps children feel secure and understand the importance of responsibility. Provide constant encouragement and support. They are crucial for your child's development. Celebrate their achievements, no matter how small, and provide positive reinforcement. This boosts their self-esteem and motivates them to keep trying, even when things get tough. Leading by example is another key aspect of parenting. Children learn a lot by observing their parents. Demonstrate the values and behaviors you want your child to adopt, whether it's kindness, honesty, or perseverance. Showing these traits in your daily life teaches your child more effectively than words alone. Not just spending time, but spending quality time. Spend quality time with your child doing activities they enjoy. It could be playing games, reading together, or even cooking. Quality time strengthens your bond and creates lasting memories. Don't forget about self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for being a good parent. Make sure to get enough rest, eat healthy, and take time to recharge. When you're at your best, you can be more patient, energetic, and supportive for your child. Don't be afraid to seek help. Parenting can be challenging, and it's okay to seek advice or support from others. Join parenting groups, talk to friends or family, or read books on parenting. Learning from others can provide new perspectives and solutions. So those are just a few tips that can help you with fatherhood and parenting. Remember, every child is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Be patient, stay engaged, and enjoy the journey. Just love them, they respond to that. From MDFU University, we hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, man the F up.